Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of a common household item, baking soda. You know, that little box in the back of your pantry? Turns out it's a health superstar in disguise. We're going to explore 10 surprising ways baking soda can improve your well-being, from soothing UTIs to boosting exercise performance. That's right, this pantry staple does way more than just make your cookies rise. So, whether you're a baking soda believer or a skeptic, get ready to be amazed by its versatility and the power it packs in promoting a healthier you. Let's get started. Let's face it, UTIs are the worst. That burning sensation when you pee is enough to make anyone miserable. But before you reach for the antibiotics, did you know that baking soda can offer some much-needed relief? Baking soda acts as an antacid, and when it comes to UTIs, it can help neutralize the acidity in your urine. This can help reduce that painful burning sensation and even promote faster healing. Just remember, while baking soda can help manage symptoms, it's still crucial to consult with your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment of UTIs. Canker sores are those small, shallow lesions that pop up in your mouth and can make eating, drinking, and even talking a real pain. While they usually heal on their own, who wants to wait that long for relief? Enter baking soda, your new best friend in fighting canker sores. A simple baking soda rinse can work wonders in reducing pain and inflammation. It helps neutralize the acidity in your mouth that can irritate canker sores and delay healing. Our kidneys work tirelessly to filter waste products from our blood, and maintaining a healthy pH balance is crucial for their optimal function. Here's where baking soda comes in. It can help balance pH levels in the body, which is essential for supporting healthy kidney function. Now, I'm not saying baking soda is a magic cure for kidney disease, but incorporating it into your routine can be a helpful step towards supporting these vital organs. 4. Let's be real. Nobody enjoys the feeling of sweating through their shirt or worrying about body odor. But many commercial deodorants are loaded with chemicals that can be harsh on your skin. Good news. Baking soda offers a natural and effective alternative. It effectively neutralizes odors, keeping you feeling fresh throughout the day without exposing your skin to potentially harmful ingredients. Plus, it's super affordable. 5. When that dreaded cold or flu hits, you'll do just about anything to feel better, right? Well, before you raid the medicine cabinet, consider this. Baking soda can actually help alleviate those pesky cold and flu symptoms. A simple baking soda solution can work wonders for a sore throat. It helps to neutralize the acids that irritate your throat, providing soothing relief. Additionally, gargling with baking soda solution can also help to loosen mucus and relieve congestion. 6. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, we all hit that wall during a workout. But what if I told you baking soda could help you push past your limits and reach new levels of athletic performance? It's true. Baking soda can help to reduce lactic acid buildup in your muscles, which is a major contributor to fatigue. This means you can train harder for longer and recover faster. 7. Find relief from gout flare-ups. Gout, a type of inflammatory arthritis, can cause excruciating pain and swelling in the joints. It occurs when there's a buildup of uric acid in the body. Baking soda can be a game changer for gout sufferers. It helps to neutralize uric acid, providing relief from those painful flare-ups. Now, it's important to note that baking soda is not a substitute for proper medical treatment, but it can be a valuable tool for managing gout symptoms. 8. Soothe your sunburn the natural way. We've all been there, spending a little too much time in the sun and ending up with a painful red sunburn. While prevention is key, baking soda can come to the rescue after the damage is done. A soothing baking soda bath can work wonders on sunburned skin. It helps to reduce inflammation, alleviate itching, and promote healing. Just add a cup or two to a cool bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Your skin will thank you. 9. Baking soda, your ally in lowering chronic disease risk. We all want to live long, healthy lives, and maintaining a balanced pH level in the body is crucial for overall well-being, and can even help reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases. Baking soda's ability to balance pH levels is no small feat. By helping your body maintain a healthy pH, baking soda indirectly contributes to a healthier you and may play a role in lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 10. Can baking soda assist in weight loss? Now, I'm not saying baking soda is a miracle weight loss solution, there's no such thing. But when used as part of a balanced diet and exercise regimen, baking soda can lend a helping hand in your weight management journey. Baking soda can help neutralize stomach acid, which may aid in digestion and nutrient absorption. Remember, sustainable weight loss is about adopting a holistic approach that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and mindful eating habits. So, unlock the power of baking soda. And there you have it. 10 amazing health benefits of baking soda, from soothing UTIs and canker sores to boosting exercise performance and supporting kidney health. This humble pantry staple is a true health hero. Remember, while baking soda offers a natural and effective approach to improving your well-being, it's essential to consult with your doctor for any health concerns or before incorporating it into your routine, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or are taking medications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.